Hey everybody, it's the Bluegill Bandit. Today's episode, I'm going to give you a few tips on doing bank fishing. Stay tuned. Alright guys, one of the reasons I picked this spot, I'm fishing at the lake here, Cherokee Lake, Bean Station. You see here, we got the river feeding into the lake, and we've also got some brush and undergrowth and stuff like that for bass to hide in. And also this is a pretty good spot to maybe catch some catfish, bluegill. One tip for bank fishing, I'm throwing in right now on the bottom, just putting a split shot on there with a hook, throwing it in on the bottom. What you want to do is reel all your slack in and just leave your pole sitting. Usually I prop it up with some rocks or something, just find stuff laying around. And once you get a bite, you'll see the tip of your rod moving like that. That's when you know you got a bite, and you'll pick it up and you'll yank it and start cranking in that fish.